Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door hinge closure cam in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 3/16 Allen wrench, 5/16 inch nut driver, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door hinge closure cam. The freezer door hinge closure cam is mounted on the top of the lower freezer door hinge. It allows the freezer door to close properly. If the freezer door won't close completely on its own, check and replace the door hinge closure cam. We're going to start with opening both doors. Now I'm going to open that filter door, and then we're going to grab this grill at the bottom with both hands and pull it out. Our next step would be disconnecting these two plugs. The locking tab is on the top. Push it down. We have another one. And we can remove the harness. Let's place the towel here underneath in the corner. And I'm going to pull out this water line. And we're going to disconnect it from the coupling right there. I'm going to press in the collar and pull the line out. Alright, I'm going to take out the towel. Now we need to close both doors. And we need to go on the top and remove this hinge. Using a 3/16 inch Allen wrench, I'm going to remove these two screws, then we can remove the hinge. Just pull it up straight out. Before we remove the freezer door, please remove the dispenser grill. To remove the dispenser grill, we need to press down this inner edge of it, and then we can pull it out. So I'm going to open the door. Carefully remember, there's no top hinge, and we're going to lift it up. At this point, we need to help these two plugs to get through the hole. And we're going to place the door on its side. Now I'm going to remove this single 5/16 screw so we can take out the old freezer door hinge closure cam and simply lift it up. This is the old freezer door hinge closure cam next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We can install the new hinge closure cam just by dropping it down. Align the holes, and we're going to secure it with the 5/16 inch screw. I'm using a nut driver, and guess what size is it? Correct, it's 5/16 nut driver. Tighten that screw, and we're ready to install the door. Okay, I'm going to bring the door next to the hinge. And I'm going to insert the harness and the water line through the opening in the hinge. So first the harness goes through, and then the water line. Push it through. I'm going to pull it down here. And now we're going to install the door onto the hinge. And I'm going to close the door And now we're going to install the dispenser grill. We just need to simply drop it down. All right, now I'm going to install the hinge so we can secure the door. Drop it in. Align the holes here. And I'm going to manually install these two screws. I'm going to start tightening them down using that 3/16 Allen wrench. And align the doors. The seam between the doors should be the same, up and down. Now we can tighten them. Okay, now I'm going to open both doors. And then we're going to connect this water line and the harness. All right, I'm going to plug this line into the coupling. Hold it and insert it and push it in as far as it can go. Next, we're going to plug this harness back in. Now you have two plugs. To install the button grill, we need to insert these two mounting pins into these two brackets here inside the fridge. Bring it over, align the holes, and push it in. And then we can close the door. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.